CC'd M1, the world's first foldable 165-inch micro-LED TV. The first ever 165-inch folding micro-LED TV is on sale now, but it's not cheap. Austrian design firm CC'd has it on sale for almost $500,000. While Samsung has been touting its massive 292-inch micro-LED, appropriately called the Wall, since 2017, a new challenger has emerged from the fold that might give Samsung's monstrous micro-LED a run for its money. The new screen is called the M1 4K 165-inch TV, and it's being made by an Austrian outlet called CC'd. What makes it special, other than its massive screen size, is that it hides away underneath the floor when it's not in use and costs, get ready for this, almost $500,000, $400,000, or around £300,000 per 520,000 Australian dollars. When it rises out of the floor, the M1 stands around 7 feet tall and has 4 panels that fold together seamlessly thanks to CC'd's adaptive gap calibration technology that renders borders between the screen's panels completely invisible. It's pretty impressive, to be honest, but at that price, it's probably not something that will fit in our budget anytime soon. Will micro-LED ever be affordable? It's hard to look at the M1 and not feel a tinge of envy. Who wouldn't want a 165-inch 4K HDR TV with HDR10+ support that just tucks away neatly whenever it's not in use? On top of its cool looks, Samsung says its version of micro-LED TVs can hit up to 4000 nits of peak brightness and have black levels that rival OLED screens. Considering that the panels are most likely sourced from Samsung, our guess is that the M1 is likely capable of the same thing. While the M1 is way out of reach for most of us, sadly so are most other commercially available micro-LED TVs right now. The most affordable model, Samsung's The Wall in 146-inch screen size, is said to cost $300,000 and isn't available in any retail store. There's a glimmer of hope on the horizon that Samsung's smaller size micro-LED TVs such as the 88-inch version of The Wall that's coming later this year will be more affordable. But considering that 88-inch versions of other high-end TVs like the LG Signature ZX8K OLED TV go for around $30,000, it could be a while before we'll see one in our price range.